Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to fix Instagram black screen. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Experiencing a black screen on Instagram can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. For that, first of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Now go to the Google Play Store on your device. On the search bar, type in Instagram. Here, if you have any updates on your Instagram, you will get an update option like mine. So tap on there and your app will get updated. Once your app is updated, you can simply open up the application and check whether the problem has been resolved or not. If that's not the case, then check for server issues. Sometimes Instagram experiences server issues that can cause black screen or other problem. So for that, check any social media platform such as Twitter or Down Detector to see if there are other users who are reporting the similar issue. If that's the case, then wait for some time until the server is fixed. And if that's not the case again, then try to clear cache of Instagram from your device. For that, open up the settings on your device. Here, tap on applications. There again, tap on see all apps. Here, search for Instagram. Tap over there Instagram. Once you land on this page, again tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. That will clear all the junk file of Instagram from your device, which might help you to resolve the issue. After you do that, open the Instagram and check whether the problem has been solved or not. And if that's not the case, ensure that your Instagram connection is established. Instagram requires a reliable internet connection to function properly. So you can simply try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. So try to switch your internet connection, then check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then simply restart your device. For that, hold and press the power button of your device, then tap on restart. Once your device is restart, then open up the Instagram application, refresh your app, and then check whether the problem is solved or not. And if that's not the case again, try to uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. So uninstall the Instagram application. For that, open up your application on your mobile device. Once you see Instagram, hold and tap on Instagram from this drop down menu. Tap on app info. From there, tap on uninstall. Once you uninstall that, to install it again, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram on your search bar. After you see that, you will get install option in Instagram. Tap on there, install the application. Once it is installed, open the app and then log into your account. So by following all the steps, you should hopefully be able to resolve the black screen on your Instagram. And that's how you can fix the black screen on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.